All right, here we go. Hopefully for my 200th video, I can have a haircut, but we'll see what happens. At the time of making this video, I have 117 subscribers. This is my 100th video, and I've amassed over 5,800 views. When I first started this channel in November of 2019, I never thought that we'd get to this point, to see the channel grow and see the community we've built here. Honestly, is heartwarming. This channel has showed me that, you know, a kid with dreams can use this vessel that YouTube has created to allow him to let his dreams no longer be dreams. I'm here to tell you that you can build that channel. You can build a channel from, you know, nothing.
Bro, all you did was upload 100 videos. You didn't do anything good.
Yeah, I guess you're kind of right. Oh well. So this is my 100th video. It's kind of weird to say that because, you know, sometimes I can't believe I've taken the time to upload 100 videos. But at the same time, I've also uploaded over 500 videos to my old gaming channel. Like, I don't want to make this a long and sappy video, but I truly thank everybody for watching these videos, and I hope you stick around for what's to come. Like, everybody that watches, likes, subscribes, comments, even if you dislike the video, I still thank you for that because it helps me beat the YouTube algorithm, but it also shows that people care about what I have to say. Or maybe they just watch my videos for white noise, like how I used to put on videos for white noise. Either way, if you do watch these videos for white noise, and thanks for giving me the view, and I hope some of the information that I'm sharing makes it into your brain and stays with you, I guess. Like, it's funny because I was watching old videos like this past weekend and seeing how bad they were. Like, that lighting, like, what is this lighting? Right? Like, I fully remember sitting there editing my first couple of videos and saying, you know, like, this looks good, right? I'm gonna upload this and it's gonna be so sick. And the B-roll back then was so sick. And then now I look back and I'm like, what kind of B-roll is this? Like, this is terrible. But I did hear a quote that said, you know, if you look back on your work and you don't like cringe or you don't think that it was bad, then you haven't progressed. So I guess that means I progressed. Then I remember looking up lighting tutorials on how to set up lights and where to position them and how bright they should be, and now my lighting has gone from, you know, this to this, right? So, you know, I'd say my lighting came a long way, all things considered. So what else can I say about uploading 100 videos? Well, I will say this. Before uploading my first video, I was kind of scared. Like, I was worrying about what people were gonna think of my video. I didn't necessarily care about what people thought of me as a person, but I was worried what they might think of my video itself. Like, I knew my lighting wasn't like Matt Diabella's. I knew that Better Ideas had better ideas than me, and I knew that my sound wasn't as good as Peter McKinnon's. But what I did know is that I wanted to share my story in video form, and I know that someone watching this video also might want to share their story through video. And I'm here to tell you, like, just do it. Like, you won't regret it. And let me tell you, once you upload your first video, you're gonna have so many more ideas that you're gonna wanna upload every day. And then you're gonna be so excited about uploading. Although for me, thumbnails are the things that just piss me off the most because I just don't like doing them. Like, I don't know why I don't like doing them. There's no specific reason. I just hate doing thumbnails. So what? You know, maybe somebody that's watching this, maybe you'll start your channel, maybe you'll start uploading, and you won't hate doing thumbnails. And you know, after you upload a video, you'll also feel very accomplished because now, you know, you get to put out your work to the whole world, and you know, you worked so hard on a video, but it's just gonna get 10 views. But don't let that discourage you in any way. Like, it's so easy to look at other YouTubers and see the numbers that they're pulling, right? But you also have to remember that everybody started somewhere. Like, there was a time when Peter McKinnon had 10 views. There was a time when Matt had 17 views. They were going through the same things that you're gonna go through. So What advice would I give somebody looking to start a channel knowing what I know after uploading 100 videos? Well, there isn't really any advice that I'd give except you should just do it. Like if you've been thinking about it, just do it. If you want to make videos, just do it. Because, I mean, who knows what could happen? You could be the next YouTube sensation and you could become rich and famous and probably die of an overdose. Or you could keep sitting on the sidelines and, you know, not upload a video and then eventually die, but probably not of an overdose. It'll probably be of natural causes, right? So, you know, what does that tell you? Either way, you're gonna die. So you might as well die knowing that you did something that you wanted to do, right? I mean, isn't that why we're all here? So why are you still sitting here on this video? Go and upload your own. And as always, thanks for watching.